And the way you get rosemary off the stem is you just pull it off. Then it just looks like that. It smells really good. Then if you chew on this, it's really good. Now you know I'm in Texas. I'm chewing on some little stick. Getting hot. I'm gonna spray a little bit of this on here. I'm gonna put some nice fresh garlic in it. A little bit of rosemary. Now before you cook the chicken, you want it good and hot, because once you put the chicken on, you want it at a really high temperature so that it'll cook, but it doesn't cook through the middle, but it holds the juices still inside so that whenever you cut it open, it's really nice and tender and juicy.